Okay, so welcome back. Let me see there it's working. So in today's video, I'm going to show you in what two new hot projects I'm going to get into private pre-sales. Yes, private pre-sale. Not everybody can go in, but if you know me and if you know somebody like me, probably potentially you can go ahead and get in. Now, one of the best way to get early, okay, one of the best way to make multiple your potential investments is to go into some private pre-sales, okay? And I find a great private launchpad where you can go into the pre-sales. Do you know this one, Presale, okay? So check this out. I'll give you just an example. So Presale have many sales, okay? If you go just right now, just go and check Presale.finance, you will see there over 20, 50, 100 tokens, private sales, okay, pre-sales, sorry. Okay, but you will see very rare. Some of them, they have the hard cap. Okay, some of them reach the full potential, like 10 sol. We talk about 10 sol. That's like $1,500. Okay, this guy 10 sol raised. Okay, we talk about very small amount, and look how many they are. From all of these, maybe 100. What you're going to see right now, don't be surprised. Only 5% if they're going to make it. The rest of them will go to zero, or will be rug pulls, or so on and so on. All right, so that's why what's happened is when I went to my last visit in Singapore, and also I met a great team in Dubai and Singapore, the same team. It's called Gems. So Gems is basically, it's a private pre-sales. So this guy, they're doing their own research from their own team. I think they're like, I don't know, 5, 10, 20 people team. And they do the research before they have a pre-sales. Yeah, so pretty much maybe you can say, oh, it's the same like here. No, it's totally different. So these guys in 1 year, okay, they only have 4 projects. 4. So Olympus AI right now is the pre-sale, and Layla, it's coming in 6 days. So I'm going to get in this one after the video, and this one I'm going to get in on the day number 1. Okay, now in incentive, the previous project, they raised 25 million. Okay, if you compare here with with this one, with how many they raised? Oh, they raised 1,000 sol. That's a big one. But if you compare with 150 sol, 30 sol, 10 sol, 0 sol, 0 sol, 0 sol, 10 sol, well, these guys are not bad at all. They're doing very, very well. Okay, let me go back. Now, in their own token, what's called Gems, they raised 10 million bucks. Okay, and Gems, the price was, a listing price was around 0.03534 cents. I went in, and today price is 15 cents. Okay, that's around 4x from your investment, and you need to wait a few months for the price appreciation. But don't forget, from 4 cents went all the way up to 28 cents. This is their own token to 28 cents. That's around 7x your money. That's crazy. Okay, now you can also stake their own token. You can go and check and stake, and you will see here for the first project, it was DOP. Okay, I never invest. I don't know that project. I met them, I think, in Dubai, but that's about it. They raised $160 million. Okay, what is pretty crazy. Now check this out: 2.5 million users, 3.4 thousand community managers, over around 200,000 million raised, and 140 countries. So this is the interesting stuff. If you want to get in here, okay, if you want to buy now, the only way to get in, you must know somebody who have enter the code to continue. And do you know who have the code? Me. I have the code. So the code will be down in the description. And yes, this is on Ethereum. I'm sorry, it's a little bit fee, but it's not so bad. Okay, why? If you buy in the morning, if you get in the morning, okay, the fees are around maybe $1 or maybe $2. So if you put, let's say, $100 or 2, 3, $500, maybe you will need to pay just a couple of bucks. So it's not bad at all. Again, please understand, when the traffic is very jam and maybe just wait for the morning, like I'm talking about UTC time morning or Saturday, Sunday, that's the cheapest fee ever, maybe less than $1. Like right now, when I'm recording this video, it's like 5 p.m. time, maybe the fee will be like $7. So maybe just wait in the morning. Next thing. So very important, you must understand, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research and never ever put more money you can afford to lose, because this is crypto and you can lose everything. Okay, why I do like Gems? So if you go and check there overall, first thing, I highly suggest to go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link down in the description and watch this video live from token 2049 with Gems. Okay, that's 11 days ago. So I did find the founder. He's pretty tall, by the way. I'm too short. Go and check this video. He explained everything. Okay, so they have so many people, so many projects going to there just to go and have listed here, but they refuse most of them, over 90%, and they just pick up the best of the best. Okay, according to their own due diligence. So what else they do? So they will give you, let's say you go here and see the projects. Okay, so this is the next one coming. Here you will have the project introduction. You have everything. So the next project is gaming in the first company offering mobile games with a real money skill game twist in the Web3. So this will be badass. Okay, so this how much they're raising, 6 million. That's the hard cap. And who are the teams? So this is the team right here. You will see first name, last name. You will see the people are real. You will see their tokenomics, and I know they are very strict with their tokenomics. Okay, so this is some of the information. You will see there all the socials here, X, LinkedIn. Let's go and check the LinkedIn. So there we go. Company size between 2 and 10. You will see, there we go. This is all the employees. I don't have LinkedIn, so I don't use. So yeah, there we go. You see, so they trying to give you all the information from the project. So then they do their own research, and then you do your own research. Okay. So what I did is, okay, because I'm farming Popcat and the Popcat blow up, so I took some profits. Okay, because always we need to take some profits. That's the first rule. And then I'm going to deploy into these 2 private pre-sales. Okay. Now I'm going to deploy some money now today in Olympus AI. So you go click here, add my link, add the link down, and then you add some money, okay? And then that depends from you, again, not financial advice. And I'm going to wait when this is launched, and I'm going to hold. Why? Because I want to get in now, so when the token are out, and hopefully potentially next year is the bull market, so then I will eat, how you say, you plant the seed now and you eat the fruit of the tree later on. And again, only way to get into these pre-sales, you must know somebody. It's not just go there and just put some money. And that's maybe make them very different. It also make them different because they do a lot of research. This is their all like what they are, what they do, who is the token. There we go. This is the team from Gems. First name, last name. You can see them. I did record with them directly live from Singapore, okay? And their token doing very, very well, okay? Also, you can go and stake their token. As I can see, you can go here and there we go. You can stake Gems token stats. This is the price, token locked, 15,000 like that, 15 million, 21 million, 22 token staked, okay? APY at the moment, if you stake, is around 20-30% APY. What is not bad, it's better something than just holding, okay? Now, if you want to join, let's say my team, if you are an influencer, let me know. And more, I think you can join also to get some special codes, like what I did. And if you want to read a little bit more information about Olympus AI, the project who is coming on when I'm going to go for in the sale today, well, I will leave the link down in the description. Is olympusai.io. That's the website. Okay, so it's basically AI layer 2. Okay, it's a layer 2 AI. Okay, what is very, very interesting. If you see here, I just opened this presentation. So check this out. What they're trying to fix. Olympus AI is a layer 2 AI that operates on the top of existing AI models, providing the best results by utilizing the strategy of each leading AI model. Okay, so they will make payments, place order, and manage services via blockchain technology. Okay, what is pretty cool. All right, that's about it. I don't want to keep you too long. So that's about it. Gems, the link will be down in the description. I believe this is a very, very good way to get into the private sales who somebody did already deep research, and then you just need to do your own due diligence. As always, nothing here is financial advice. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video, and leave me a comment and let me know what do you think about this one. And also I have a very hot note coming, potentially good one, very good one, in the next week. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.